This screencast is how to access Google Drive and upload documents to our Walters and Wolf account. So we're going to start on Google and go to Google Drive, and it'll give us the top result will be where we log in, Google Drive, and we're going to log in using our Walters and Wolf account, which is the same as our YouTube account, which is training@waltersandwolf.com. Password will not be disclosed. I'm assuming you all know that. Once we log in, Google Drive is pretty cool because it's very reminiscent of your desktop. So you have the Create tab here, which allows you to elect to create a folder, document, presentation, spreadsheet, and a few other things that are more native to Google. And you can also upload from your personal hard drive or the server hard drives. So first and foremost, we want to keep this as a very organized file structure. So we have our Kaizen reports. So once we enter this, you'll see that you can have nested folders. So we have a folder for all the other Kaizen events that have taken place and other content that is on our Kaizen website. So the next step is going to be creating a new folder to have a new web page or a new Kaizen event that we completed. So to create a new folder, we're going to go to Create, Folder, and we're going to title this after our new Kaizen event that we're uploading. In this case, it's going to be the mat clip. So we're going to title it mat clip Kaizen. Once it's created, we're going to enter the folder, which you can see right here. And you click it just like it would be anything on your desktop. So once you're here, it allows you to drag and drop files, or you can use the upload button. We're going to go ahead and use Create just to show you how to make a new document. So spreadsheet is what we're going to be making for the Kaizen newspapers. And what we're going to do is go to File, and we're going to go to Import. This allows you to go to different things on your drive to import into this folder, or we can go to Upload. Again, you can select from a folder, or you can drag and drop. So going to the location that's on the K drive, we have the Kaizen clip standardization. We're going to drag and drop that into Google. So as you can see, it's uploading. And once it's done, we're going to click Create New Spreadsheet, click Import, and click Open Now so we can see that it worked. So the content from the Excel spreadsheet is now in the Google documents. To show that it's the same, if we come back to the Excel file, you can see that the content is identical. The only things that may have been a little bit modified are like the colors you can see transcribed as well as we'd like. So those are some minor things that are going to have to be tweaked as things go on to maintain the visual controls that we like. Now that our content is in Google Drive, our next step is to make this ready to be imported into our Kaizen webpage. And in order to do that, there's a few minor steps that need to be taken. How we publish this is going to transfer over identically. So the things that we're not using, we're going to hide. So just like Excel, you can click and hold Shift and Control to select multiple things at a time. And we're going to go to Hide Columns E and F. So now you can see it's just the columns with the content that we have. And if you wanted to rename any of this, you can click Duplicate or click the arrow with the left click and you have Rename. So we're going to rename this Kaizen Newspaper. Next, we can have multiple pages, and we're going to have participants and a few other items that will be matching what's on the web page already. So in order to make the other pages more quickly, we're going to go back to the Kaizen pages and go into an existing newspaper that's been modified, like Kaizen Engineering. So when we're in that, if we go to participants and we highlight everything and click copy, well, when we come into the actual new Kaizen page and we click paste, it will put everything in there and reformat the cell size as well for the columns. And we just need to retitle the actual name of the Kaizen event to match. This will speed that portion up, and then we had upcoming events if we wanted to, and it has things there. So this is pretty much everything you need to do to get your web page or your Excel spreadsheet or Kaizen newspaper ready to be uploaded to the website. So the final step of getting this ready for the Kaizen web page is to go to File, Publish to the Web. So this will automatically republish the content to the web wherever we implement this HTML code, which we're going to put into our Wix page. There'll be a separate video on how to do this portion of actually putting it on the web page. But this is the final step, and you click Start Publishing, click OK, and it will give you the codes for embedding it and the link if you wanted a hyperlink to it. We're going to use the embed code. So this right here is very important. We're going to go ahead and copy it and go ahead and use a notepad to hold the text for us for a minute here until we get ready to put it on the web page. The reason we want to publish the document as well is because whenever we make an update to any of the text fields, that will automatically show up on the website. So when you log into Google Docs and go into your spreadsheet, any changes here will be made to the web page. So now there's no coding or any additional website management. All you have to do is go to Google and everything will be done through Google.